All right, so I know this looks like a green screen for whatever reason. It is not. This is my new Impala. She does not have a name yet because I haven't decided. But this is her, and this is mine. And I'm making this video because I'm just curious, because obviously a lot of work is about to go into this. And so, do you want to see it? I mean, are you interested in seeing more than just the beginning and the after? Do you want to see the entire process? Do you want to see what this car becomes? Because it's not going to be a replica, so it will not be identical to the show car. Obviously it can't be, because this one has a post in it, and the original from Supernatural does not have the post. So there's a minor detail there. But there'll be other things, like the interior color. I want it to be different than on the show. So are you curious? Do you want to see that? Because if you do, let me know, because I might throw something together.